Hello everybody, Becca here. Today I wanted to talk to you a little bit about fear and how to relieve it. For those that are here for the first time, I'm Becca Laurent, and I'm here to empower you with a detox lifestyle, educating you with quick and easy tips on creating the life that you want naturally. With everything that's going on today, there is a lot of fear going around, whether it is learning about COVID and other viruses and what to do about it. And then there's also the shutting down the economy and all that goes with that, the fear of where your money's going to come from, how are you going to feed your family, and bills. And then there's the rioting and looting, the fear behind all of that, and whether you believe defunding the law enforcement or not. There's a lot of fear attached to that. And this fear has just been perpetuated in certain aspects in media and life in general. We see it everywhere. And I wanted to talk about one excellent way to disperse fear in our life, and that is through education. Education, we can find it everywhere. You can learn not just from a classroom, but you can be learning from other people. You can be learning from YouTube videos. You can be learning from books, or just jumping in and doing something. That is a form of learning. Even failure is a form of learning, as long as you go into it and come out of it with an open mind. This is all abilities to learn from our life. Learning alleviates fear, and how it does that is fear is just the unknown, right? And learning is knowing. Therefore, learning alleviates fear. Got me so far? So I know you know that I am all about a detox lifestyle, but how does learning in relieving fear help with a detox lifestyle? Well, let me teach you. Our bodies are self-healing and self-regulating, right? And what creates illness and disease is stress, whether it's physical, chemical, or emotional stress. Got me so far? Okay, so these stress creates toxins in our body. It's a toxic buildup in our body, and when we have this toxic buildup, it creates an environment for illness and disease. Correct? Okay, so when you are stressed out about with fear about where your food's going to be coming from, or where your next paycheck will be coming from, it creates a lot of stress in the body and can and does damage your body. So there you go. I have linked education with a detox lifestyle. In a detox life, a must to continually educate yourself, because in doing so, you are relieving the fear that causes toxins in your body. Fear is a form of control, and on the reverse side, education is empowerment. It releases you from that fear. So what are you going to go out and educate yourself about next? Leave in the comment section so I can find out and help you along the way, if so. And as far as educating you, if you are looking for an avenue to learn more about a detox lifestyle, check out beccasplanet.com. I'll leave a link in the description section, because I have all sorts of learning experiences on my website. Also, don't forget to check out the videos that I have posted right now. I will talk with you again soon, and until then, get healthy, be happy, and herbal on. Bye.